You're going to hire a representative for your Social Security case. All right. A few things you should ask. First of all, who is responsible for getting and paying for your medical records? That's something you need to know right out the gate. Because a lot of times what happens is that people come in and they'll say, well, I can't afford it. And the rep will say, hey, we'll get them for you. And you just reimburse us in the end. In your mind, you're thinking, no problem. Guess what? If you lose that case, or if the rep loses the case, or the rep decides to get out of the case, you're still on the hook for that. So they're going to be coming back to you saying, give us the money because we paid for money on your behalf. Because in essence, they're basically loaning you money to get records for you, and then you're going to reimburse them later. No go. So you need to be aware of that. Right out the gate, you need to know what is their firm's protocol with regards to paying for medical records. Same thing for costs. What cost are you responsible for? Are there any cost responsibilities? So this way you'll know if they decide to go to the left, are you on the hook for anything later? Second, how often should you expect to hear from their office? The reality is that the disability process can be a 2 to 3 year process depending on the case. I got a case right now, I've been in it for 6. And I always tell people, I'm going to be in the case with you for the long haul. Do not freak if there are periods of time when we are not communicating. Trust, it's the nature of the beast. But if you don't realize that ahead of time, you may be expecting monthly updates or weekly updates. And a lot of times those updates aren't necessary because nothing's changed. But you need to have a knowledge of how often you should expect to hear from your office. How far can they take your case? Not how far will they take your case. How far can they take your case? Now you're saying, what's the difference? Well, the reality is that when they're starting your case from the first, they don't know what your case is going to develop into. But you want to know, do you take cases to the represent me before the ALJ? Do you represent clients before the Appeals Council? Do you represent clients before the United States District Court? Do you represent clients before the United States Court of Appeals? You want to know how far they take cases so that you know if, so this way you know that in the grander scheme of things, how far they can take your case if they determine that the evidence is strong enough to keep appealing. And most importantly, finally, what is your responsibility? Trust me when I tell you, a lot of times people have this thought, especially in what I call contingency fee cases, which is what I do, that they just drop their records off and they roll out and just ride out into the sunset. No. These cases, you have to work with the representative. So you need to know in advance, what is your responsibility going ahead of time? So when you're looking to hire a representative, you want to know who is responsible for costs and getting medical records. How often should they hear from their office? How far can they handle cases in terms of cases like yours, in terms of how far up the appeals process, and what is your responsibility? And my biggest thing is this. If you're not sure or you don't understand how this thing plays out, ask. Do not sit here and walk away. Okay? Don't sit here and walk away and think to yourself that, okay, they've got this, and you already have some expectations in your mind and you haven't communicated that to them. You want to make sure you have a full understanding of what your expectations are from them, so this way there's no confusion and you're not coming back later being mad because you're not getting the type of service you believe you deserve.